slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Modifying your truck can be exciting until it gets you in serious trouble. Some popular mods might look cool or boost performance, but they can also be completely illegal. From extreme lift kits to emissions deletes, certain upgrades can get your truck pulled off the road, fined, or even crushed by the authorities. In this video, we'll break down 10 truck mods that are either banned or highly restricted, and yes, number 3 is illegal in all 50 states. 1. Lift kits over legal height limits. Lifting your truck too high might look aggressive, but most states have legal height restrictions. Going beyond them can result in failed inspections, tickets, or even your truck being taken off the road. If your bumper or headlights sit too high, you're risking safety and legality. Always check local height laws before installing extreme lift kits, or you might see your custom truck loaded onto a tow truck permanently. 2. Straight pipe exhausts. Too loud to be legal. Straight pipes sound wild, but they're often too loud for street use. Many areas enforce noise laws that your open exhaust will definitely break. Worse, removing your muffler or catalytic converter violates emissions rules. That means you'll likely fail inspection, get fined, or worse, get pulled over repeatedly. Straight pipes may turn heads, but they'll also bring flashing lights and citations. Loud doesn't always equal legal. 3. Emissions deletes. Illegal in all 50 states. Removing emissions equipment like DPFs, EGR valves, or DEF systems is completely illegal across the U.S. It's a federal crime under the Clean Air Act. You'll fail inspections, void your warranty, and could face huge fines. Truck delete kits might boost performance temporarily, but they make your vehicle road illegal. If authorities catch you with emissions deletes, your truck can be impounded or crushed. Not worth the risk. 4. Underglow and flashing lights. Banned on public roads. While underglow lighting might look cool in shows or parking lots, it's banned in many states when driving, especially red, blue, or flashing lights, which mimic emergency vehicles, can get you pulled over fast. Even legal underglow can't be visible from the front or rear in some areas. One wrong setup, and your truck might get hit with multiple fines or be ruled unsafe for road use. 5. Illegal window tint. Too dark for safety. Dark window tint may offer privacy and style, but every state has limits on how dark your tint can be, especially on the front side windows and windshield. If your tint blocks too much light, you can fail inspection or get pulled over. Police need to see the driver inside. Illegal tint may even cause your vehicle to be considered unsafe, forcing you to remove it or face penalties. 6. Oversized tires. Without proper coverage. Big tires improve off-road grip, but if they extend past your fenders without flares, you're breaking the law in most states. Uncovered tires kick up rocks and debris, endangering other drivers. It's a small detail that can cost big: fines, inspection failures, or registration suspension. Always pair oversized tires with proper fender flares. Without them, your aggressive look might get legally crushed instead of complimented. 7. Nitrous systems. Not for the streets. Nitrous oxide might give your truck crazy acceleration, but it's strictly for track use in most places. Using nitrous on public roads is illegal almost everywhere. Even having a hooked-up system in your vehicle can get you fined. Law enforcement takes this mod seriously, viewing it as reckless and dangerous. If you're caught with nitrous on the street, expect major penalties, and possibly your truck impounded. 8. Fake or flipped license plates. Plate flippers and fake license covers might help avoid tolls or cameras, but they're also felony-level illegal in many states. Trying to hide or alter your plate is considered fraud, and it can get your vehicle impounded. Some trucks even get crushed under criminal seizure laws. No mod screams, "I'm hiding something," louder than a plate flipper, and the penalties are steep. Don't risk it. 9. Removing airbags and safety systems. Taking out airbags to save weight or for off-road customization might seem harmless until you're in a crash. Most states require functioning airbags in road-legal vehicles. If yours don't deploy in an accident, it could void insurance or lead to lawsuits. Modifying or removing safety systems can also get your vehicle deemed unsafe during inspections. It's not just risky, it's potentially illegal and very costly. 10. Non-DOTA headlight conversions. Swapping to ultra-bright HIDs or LEDs might improve visibility, but if they're not DOTA approved, you're asking for trouble. Many aftermarket lights blind other drivers or don't meet beam pattern regulations. This can lead to failed inspections or roadside tickets. Always check if your headlight mod is DOT compliant. If not, you could be forced to revert the change or face constant legal headaches on the road. Modding your truck is a great way to make it your own, but crossing the legal line can turn your dream build into a nightmare. These 10 forbidden mods might look cool or promise better performance, but they can get your truck ticketed, impounded, or even crushed. Don't let a simple upgrade cost you your ride. Always check local and federal laws before making changes, because what's legal in one state might be banned in another. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on truck mods, gear reviews, and staying street legal. Got a story about a mod gone wrong? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear it.